Hi, I'm Kristen, and this is Scarlett, and today we're going to be showing you how to make pet toys out of recycled denim.
First thing you'll need is some old jeans, templates for your toys, and you'll want these to be on cardstock, scissors, markers, and squeakers. You'll also need some fiber fill to stuff your toys, as well as a sewing machine. Start by cutting your jeans all the way along one of the seams to get a flat piece to work with. Then go ahead and use your stencil to trace out your shape. Now go ahead and cut that out. I'm going to make this toy two-tone, so I'm going to go ahead and cut out my second piece from my other pair of lighter wash jeans. For some added texture, consider including a seam in your cut, and this will make your final toy have a really cool finished look to it. Now that you have your two pieces cut out, we're going to go ahead and pin them together to get them ready to sew. Place the sides that you want facing out, facing each other, and pin along the edges. To make it easier to sew, if you have a seam, go ahead and cut the extra fabric off at an angle just like this. Now we're ready to sew. You'll need to leave an opening to turn the toy inside out, and this is easiest to do along one of the straight sides. I'm going to start part of the way down on one of the straight sides so that I can end on the other side and have a nice opening. For this project, I'm using a straight stitch. When sewing this, it's helpful to pause and actually turn your project to give yourself a nice crisp edge. Before you turn your toy inside out, it's helpful to cut along the edges just slightly. The rounded pieces will look much smoother once it's turned inside out. Now we're ready to flip the toy inside out. Now we get to add the stuffing and the squeaker. To finish this off, I'm going to go ahead and hand stitch it shut. I made extras so that I can give them to family and friends as a little quarantine gift. I didn't want our cute little cat neighbor to feel left out, so I made a fish for him using similar techniques. Before I gave them away, I did a little test run with my pups. Seemed to go over well, so now I'm ready to make some deliveries.